This one company made $102,000 by selling printables for $1.75 per printable. This is crazy. This is insane. And the best part about it is starting your digital product business around printables is a way to begin today without having to have any money to get started. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how you can begin making $500 a day by selling digital printables. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Teara, and if you are part of the community, thank you for being a part of the community. So in today's video, we're going to get into how you can begin making $500 with printables. A few examples of printables is going to be planners, journals, spreadsheets, templates, invitations, wall art, and calendars. And there are so many other things that can be considered a printable. If you're someone who already has a business, I want you to understand that you can start your digital product business around the business that you currently have. With doing so, this means that whatever your business is, you can just add something to it that you can sell to your specific target audience. Now, if you're someone who is not already a business owner and you're just looking to start a business or start a side hustle to make you some extra funds, you can also just choose a specific niche. And with a niche, I talk about this in almost every video because it's very important. With a niche, this is going to be a specific group of people that you are looking to sell to. Let's just say, for instance, you're a mother and you homeschool your children. This means that you can begin selling educational printables to other moms who are looking to homeschool their children and they don't know exactly what or where to go to get printables to help their children. If you're someone who's in the fitness industry, you can begin to sell meal prep templates to your audience to help them no matter where they are around the world. If you're someone who's looking to get married soon, or you're getting ready to have a baby, maybe you're getting ready to even have a big birthday celebration, you can begin making invitations to sell to your target audience as well by using content from what you are doing currently within your life right now. So when it comes to printables, this can literally be anything. If you're big on saving money or if you're big on budgeting, you can begin to sell spreadsheets and budget trackers and saving plans to help your target audience. So when it comes to selling printables, do not overthink the process. Just know you have to do your research to see what it is that your audience needs so that your printable can be the solution to their problem. Like I always tell you guys in every video, you have to solve a problem for your audience so that you can get continuous sales. No matter which niche you decide to go in, you have to know what problem they have, and whatever printable you are selling, it has to solve that problem. Now, before you begin to make these different printables, I want you to do different research by looking on Amazon, looking on Google, and using the Etsy shop so that you can see what is selling and what is not selling. You want to look at the reviews and you want to see what it is that people are saying about these printables that could have been better. So when you create your printable, you know what to put into it so that your printable will stand out and be different from your competition. When you begin to start with your designing, you want to look at the patterns, you want to look at the colors, you want to see what is getting the most sales so that you know what you need to use and what you can add so that you can get in the gap of what is missing from that particular printable. Now that you know exactly what it is that you're going to create, you know the printable that you're going to use, it's time to do the fun part, and that's going to be creating creating your printable. So we're going to go ahead and jump on Canva so that I can show you guys how you can use Canva in order to create your printable so you can begin making six figures. So as you see here in the search bar, if you put in printables, it's going to give you a whole lot of things to look at and choose from. And look, you guys, people are even selling tickets for Valentine's, and it's not even Valentine's. That is so crazy to me, right? So if you look on here, there are so many different things that you can sell. You have a grocery list, you have weekly chores, you have a chore chart. Like, there are so many different ideas that you can look into when it comes to creating your printable business. You have self-care. You have party planners. Now, when you look at these ideas, I don't want you to go on Canva and just use what you see. The purpose of me showing you this is to show you that there are tons of different things that you can begin selling online as little as today. Like, you can literally get this created within a day. I feel like no matter if you have a job, if you have a business, or if you just don't have free time, period, there should be no excuse to how you can get this done, because some of this stuff is already created for you. You just need to put a twist and a feel of your business on it so that it looks presentable and it looks better for your specific target audience. So here is just examples of things that you can go ahead and begin selling. Now, when it comes to creating your printable, I want you to know, again, your target audience has to be in mind in order for you to create a design, because when you create this design, it's going to have to look and feel the part of a solution to your specific target audience. So next week we have the 4th of July coming up, and as you can see, here is a sticker for the American flag. Next week is the 4th of July, so you can create content that's going to be around the 4th of July and Independence Day, right? Things that people may be doing, you can create banners, you can create color sheets that's going to symbolize the 4th of July. Like, you have to just figure out what it is that your target audience need and go on Canva and create the design. So I didn't want today's video to be very long, but if you guys need me to do a breakdown video of how to do your printable step by step using Canva, make sure you let me know down in the comments so that I can get that tutorial made for you. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you're going to begin the process of selling digital products by using printables. I am Teara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to begin your digital product business and how to make money. So if you're interested in it, make sure you stick around for more videos just like this one. I'll talk to you guys back here on my next video. Bye.